Let's add some JavaScript to this HTML document now. We add JavaScript with a script tag in HTML. At the very end of our body, add a script tag and make sure it has a type of text JavaScript. So we'll say script and close it with script. Its type will be text JavaScript. And now within this script tag, we can start interacting with JavaScript. First, let's just add an alert statement that says, hello world from JavaScript. Let's go ahead and save that and make sure I spell it correctly. Now I'm going to host this index.html within a very simple basic live server through a package called live server on Atom. I'm going to go ahead and start on port 3000. Boom, we see hello world from JavaScript. Now, if you want live server to show up for you, go ahead and go to the settings folder within Atom. It's just in Atom preferences. You can go to the install part and you'll see live server and go ahead and install it, and then you'll see it show up in the packages menu. Great. Now, if we added all of our JavaScript within the script tag within our HTML document, our code would get significantly large for HTML. Luckily, we can write JavaScript files right within our folder and include references to them with a script tag to include their code. So first off, go ahead and delete that alert. We'll make the script all in one line. And now we'll add a new file right next to index.html called index.js. Now within index.html, let's go ahead and say we have a reference now to index.js. So we'll specify that its source is index.js, and the // is just a special way to say that we're in the current directory finding the index.js file. Now within index.js, now we can add some code. Instead of an alert statement, let's add a console.log now, and then we'll say hello from JavaScript in another file. We'll save, head back to your document, and we'll go ahead and inspect the element now. Go to our console, and then we see hello from JavaScript in another file. Great. Now that we have JavaScript fully functioning in our HTML document, let's examine how JavaScript works in terms of interacting with the HTML through the document object model.